Hello and welcome to Easy Blender channel. First you need to add a camera. Press Shift A and choose camera. Our camera is added. Now let's move it to see it. Here's our camera. We can upscale it. Now for going to camera view, you have two ways. You can either click on this icon or press numpad 0. Now for moving the camera and navigating, you can press Shift backtick on the keyboard. Backtick is the key above your tab key. Or you can go to View and Navigation and Walk Navigation. Also you can right click on it and choose your own shortcut. Let's add our own shortcut. Shift F. Now we can do this with Shift F. When you go to camera navigation, if you press W, camera moves forward. If you press S, camera moves backward. A and D for left and right. Q for down, E for up, and the Alt for moving slowly. See, if I press Alt, the camera gets slower. If you want to increase camera movement speed, you must press minus and plus on the numpad. Minus for slowing down the camera, and plus for increasing the speed of camera. You must press that multiple times. If you want to decrease it, press minus again. You can also scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in the view and scroll down to zoom out. And you can press Shift and middle mouse button to move the camera like this. Let's put it in the middle. Okay, now we want to add a keyframe on camera. For adding a keyframe to camera, you must go to frame 0 or any frame you want and press I. You can see our keyframe is added. Now let's go to frame 100 and move the camera to other position, like here, and press I to add a new keyframe. Now if we go to frame 0, press space, you can see the camera is moving. It's like filming a project. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.